Hi Andy, welcome. Welcome to Sri Balaji Jewelers. First, we'll just show you around the latest editions and then we'll move ahead with all the explanations. Good evening, Andy. Praveen from Sri Balaji Jewelers, and with me my son Kunj from Sri Balaji Jewelers. And I hope everybody had a lovely sparkling Diwali. So Deepavali ki baga manchiga andaru celebrate chestunnaru and manchi varieties pre Deepavali kuda chupettinam meeku. So before Deepavali we showed you a lot of designs, and now we come after Diwali for our first ultralight superb category wherein very beautiful designs we have added, and you love them. We have mango mala, we have botu mala, ante 100 grams ki as people call keto diet cheskoni 50 grams ki techesinamo. So it becomes affordable, it becomes creative, and we try to develop new things every day. And Kunj, what do we have this time in the
this time
designs?
We have some very beautiful different necklaces, and this time we have done very beautiful malas with the beads, the pastel shades, some different jewelry chokers. And then we have some chatai necklaces, long harams. Long harams for the first time we have done around 60-50 grams, very grand, very beautiful, which were previously 120-130 grams. So do have a look at the collection. And there's one humble request to all of you that if you like anything, please pick it up, please grab it before it goes out of stock, because the production period is a little longer than the regular items. Thank you.
So now we will just show you across. Kunj, can you start showing across? And as requested, please book your items, send some advance, take it. Gold is in a rising trend. It is not going to go down, take my word. It started off when we were telling people at 48,000, gold will go up to 52. So that is our whole prediction about gold. It is at present around 50,000 per gram, expected to be around 52,000. So gold is going to be a good friend in the future also. So let's start today's live.
So first we have this bridal set. This design is inspired by the Pachi catalog. The mala is coming to around 14 grams. Very beautiful. And then the choker is coming to around 24 to 25 grams. The whole set is coming to around 4 tulas.
So very beautiful, and like 4 tulas low, you can see eskunte inta andam undi. Actually super duper undi item. So direct guy, you can go up. Gold is all 22 karat hallmark. So very beautiful pastel shades representing soothing color. And now let us see one more.
We have done this in the green. We are using all the semi-precious beads with this. The whole set, guess what the weight has come for this?
Guess the weight. Can all our lovely viewers guess the weight of this bridal one? A very classy one. You can look at the color theme also, how beautiful it is done. The green and then the pearl and then very classy, even the choker, you can see that, right? So it's done, it looks, what a beautiful look like. I was in love with this. Chushinankane premamayipoyindandi asalu chuste. Anta andam
45 grams.
45 grams, okay. 35 grams, okay. Any more guesses? 40 grams, Chandana says. And Srinidhi 30 grams, okay. 4 tulas, Nikhila ready. And Appagiri 10 grams, okay. I think keto diet ante baga gunjeshinarandi kinda. Sridevi 60.
So let me surprise you all. The whole bridal set is coming to only 14 grams.
So 14 grams lo total set andi. All the stone weight is removed religiously, whether it be CZ, whether it be pearl, whether it be green. So naturally, when we remove the stones, you have to pay for the stone cost also, right? Let's move on to one more. Again, a very grand and a grace. Yeah, Bhavya, all of you. Geeta Shri says 5 grams. I think Geeta has done too much. Seriously, yes, Nikhila. Seriously, it is just 14 grams, the whole set.
And this piece is coming to around 8 grams.
Collection, Anusha, thank you. Yeah, Kunj, go ahead. 8 grams?
Yeah, 8 grams.
Only 8 grams, and look at the fall అండి. యాక్చువల్గా 8 grams లో అందం, and this is a unisex అండి. Men can wear it, women can wear it. So it's a very beautiful one. On sherwanis even men are wearing.
Coming to the Satlada we have 2 pieces also here.
సో బ్యాక్ సైడ్ 2 పీసెస్ కూడా ఉన్నాయండి. బికాస్ నిన్ననే ఒక కస్టమర్ నాకు అడిగినారు, ఆర్ దేర్ పీసెస్ ఎట్ ద బ్యాక్ సైడ్. సో వీ డూ హ్యావ్ ద పీసెస్.
So the whole set, the whole Satlada is coming to around 27-28 grams. That's it. Next we have is this Jali model.
సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ ఎవర్ ట్రెండింగ్ అండి. వేసుకున్నాక బాగా అందం ఉంటుంది. సో వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్. అగైన్ దిస్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ గ్రాండ్ సెట్. సో యూ కెన్ సీ ద గ్రాండ్నెస్.
27-28 grams.
28 grams లో ఆ గ్రాండియర్ చూడండి, సూపర్ క్లాస్ ఉంది.
And next we have this choker. This is inspired by the Kundan catalog. This was initially around 120 grams in the Kundan catalog. So can anyone guess the weight of this?
Guess the weight of the Kundan catalog. This also a lot of homework goes in అండి. ఇప్పుడు కుంజ్ ఏంటంటే వెళ్ళి అన్ని కుందన్లో చూసుకొని what is the next design we have to do. So all these we develop and then it comes before you, and then it adorns your neck and it looks beautiful, and we are thankful.
So we have done this choker in only 20 grams.
So 20 grams అండి, and you look at the even it covers the whole neck around.
And then the tops, people were asking the tops for the Jali model. So here are the tops. Next we move on to the long haram Ram Parivar.
సో ఇది కూడా ఫస్ట్ టైం అండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్రెడీ సోల్డ్ అవుట్. సో ప్లీజ్ డూ నాట్ ఆస్క్ అస్, యూ కెన్ ఆర్డర్ అస్. సో ఆల్రెడీ ఇది పుట్టిన ముందు పెళ్ళి అయిపోయింది.
So this we have done the long haram, which was initially 120 grams into 63 grams.
సో దిస్ ఇస్ 63 నెట్ వెయిట్ అండి. యూ కెన్ ఆర్డర్ అస్. 25 days we will deliver it to you.
And next we have is this.
The green one is the inspired from the Elaichi design or the Tikasokulu that used to come. So our design
Around 11 grams.
11.
Next this is coming to around 4 to 5 grams.
4.5 super hit again.
This is coming to, this is a Kundan catalog again, from the Kundan catalog, the mango haram.
Look at this Andy. This also one of our customers called Kunj and said that she wants the Kundan mango haram to be developed in light range. So naturally people ask me, does it look the same? See, there will be a difference, but yes, it looks beautiful, and guess it is just 60 grams.
Wow.
So 180 grams ki 60 grams lo techinamandi, and value for money.
And the length as well is coming to the long length.
So it's a full length.
Yeah, full length.
It's full length. So very beautiful. And
Next
now,
we have this Bottumala.
people call me and then they say that Praveen bhai, you are doing an amazing job. Kunj, you are doing an amazing job. You are making jewelry affordable. But frankly, we are all thankful to all our customers that they are really supporting us so well, and that's why.
Dad, how many grams did we do? 80 grams of this?
This 80? No. I think we are all addicted now to bringing down the weight. It is 53 net.
Oh, 53 grams. This is also the Pachi design, this Pachi Caesar design, which was initially in 125 grams.
So very beautiful. And how about this one? People were asking a lot about this.
This is also inspired by a big jeweler. So this was also in, Pachi, in the flat diamonds. So very beautiful in only 22 grams.
So 22 we did that.
And then next we have this Navratna necklace.
Navratna, all these, so you have been seeing it, so we'll just rush through this
Around
segment.
11 grams.
11 grams.
Then the whole set 17 grams. Next we have this Morganite choker set coming to 25 grams.
And how about this one? This is in trend, I feel, right?
Yeah, this is a design inspired by the Colombian emerald side piece mala.
Okay.
So we have done this on only. Can you guess that how much grams did we did this?
This should be around 9.
No, we've done it in only 5 grams.
5 grams అండి. అసలు 5 grams లో ఇంత లుక్ వచ్చి ఇంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా చేయాలంటే ఇంకేం కావాలండి.
And what beads are we using on all these jewelry?
The major of the beads are semi-precious what we are using. There is no glass is not there. So mostly it is semi-precious, and everything is removed and we add the value for money.
And these are the chatai sets from around 4 grams, 5 grams.
Always running.
And then this Guttapusalu in 30 grams, the whole set. And then this.
So people keep asking me, Guttapusal, is there it in stock? So please, it comes, it goes.
We have only 2 pieces in Guttapusalu in stock, so grab it before it goes out of stock. This set is coming to around 23 grams, the whole set, and this is coming to around 30 grams.
Okay.
And next we have is this. This is
So
coming to
evergreen.
around 14-15 grams, the whole set.
Yeah.
And next we have the Ram Parivar model. This is also inspired by our heavy models. This was also initially coming
13
to
grams, Andi. Ante.
13 grams. Yes.
13 grams. So very, very light again. And
Next we have these Ruby, Emerald and Navratna sets,
these
which are ranging from around 11 to 13 grams. That's it.
So super duper hit and always in demand, always under production. So some things like పేరు పెట్టడానికి అవసరం లేదు, అది వస్తే వెళ్తాయి అదే నడుస్తున్నాయి.
Next is this what we have. This is also our latest launch. Very very grand వేసుకుంటే.
So very beautiful అండి.
The whole set is coming to around 44 grams with the Chandbalis. Next is the Kanti we are having. This is also made for one of our US customers on a customized base. Around 26
So
grams.
you can order it and we'll get it done. And the chokers, you can see the square chokers. They are always evergreen, always in demand.
The whole set is coming to around 13-14 grams. And next the green choker set coming to around 12-13 grams. The pearl mala around 6-7 grams. This Jali model also a lot of customers have asked, so that's why we have done this 17 grams.
So very beautiful, all these stocks. And this one, very beautifully done. Can you show this inspired from the Kundan catalog, Kunj?
Yeah, just a second. 18 grams, 19 grams the whole set, 19-20 grams with the earrings.
This one also is a very classy Kundan piece andi. ఇది కూడా ఒక కుందన్ క్యాటలాగ్ నుంచి ఇఫ్ యూ సీ ది బిగ్ క్యాటలాగ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద నిజామీ కలెక్షన్, దిస్ ఇస్ అ వెరీ హిట్ డిజైన్.
Only 23 grams andi.
సూపర్ హిట్ అండి, వన్ ఆఫ్ మై ఫేవరెట్స్ అగైన్.
And then we did this Kanti. This Kanti is coming to around 16.5 grams. Next we have this choker around 13.75 grams. And then these Chatai models again. 4 grams nearly. And this set is coming to around 8 grams only. Well, only 8 grams the whole set.
The pink is in, the pastel shades are in, so you have a very lightweight set in the pink collection.
Around 8 to 10 grams.
So you see the pink ones, how they are now dominating the market.
12 to 13 grams the whole set. Next is this coming to around 13 grams.
All
the
are
whole
very
set.
light. And this is also super hit andi. So it comes super duper class.
Very beautiful Andy. So I'll just go through again so you can just see everything once, what collection we are having. This is not seen, I believe. This is also very beautiful one, 3-step haram.
Okay, Andy, so that is the collection for today that you have. You've seen the best of the collection, the best of the sales are happening, and you can contact us on my number 90303030 or Kun's number
99636 26077.
26077.
And another line we have taken for the Sri Balaji Jewelers, so that is 773 773 773 773 2193. So
Can you repeat the number again?
773 773 773 2193.
So it would be very good if you are sending your queries on that specific number.
Yeah.
So we are slowly taking dedicated lines for all the online inquiries because we do not want to miss you all in any case. And one thing I would like to tell about the pricing structure. Generally, a Kamsalu, when it comes to 916 hallmark gold, plain gold is always lesser in Targu. Stones always, the Bengali work charges a little more on the Targu side, but honesty, creativity and pricing, also competitiveness, we guarantee you all gold is hallmarked 22 carat. So have a great day, happy shopping and stay connected. Plus we have launched our YouTube channel also, so kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel Sri Balaji Jewelers, and for sure you will not be missing out on any of our videos in the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Andy.